Oh yeah, he's right on time. So what's up guys, I'm back with another video. So today we're riding to Ladakh. I'm just kidding, it's called as Chota Ladakh. Yeah, I don't know what's there. It's basically a normal view, I suppose, but some people say that it's like Ladakh level of view, but let's see. Okay, so let me put the maps. It's gonna be it's actually called as Dodda Ayur Rock Quarry. So yeah, so you have to type that in map, otherwise you're not gonna find it. Oh yeah, you can see in the parenthesis it's Chota Ladakh. So yeah, so let's see how that goes. 1 hour 4 minutes. Oh no, wait, directions boys, start. Okay, it's only 49 kilometers. Did I just ride 20 kilometers from my home to this Indiranagar? I have no idea, bro. Okay, it's 49 kilometers, so I mean, I don't care. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. There's a lot of people on the road right now. I don't know for what reason. Why? It's what day is it today? Today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That is covered in fog. Looks super beautiful. Wait, what is happening to Bangalore? As I told in my last video, what the hell is going on with Bangalore? What is the weather in here? Like, I don't understand. Bruh. I don't know, maybe it's like this during this month, that is November, because winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
I just looked at them and they were looking at me too, like all three of them. There probably was like, who are these aliens, man? Yeah, we just, I mean, kind of look like aliens, by the way, with all the gear and stuff. As you all know, the delivery times for Himalayan is very bad right now, because people have been waiting for about 3 to 4 months, and yeah, it's really bad. But I think they started giving out bikes right now. I got like 4 messages from 4 different guys saying that they got their bikes delivered, so I'm really happy for them. Congrats, and ride safe. Yeah. Okay, this is, I still don't know what toll this is. I guess this is Hoskote toll, no idea, but it should be Hoskote. Yeah. So it's only about 29 kilometers from here, in 36 minutes. I guess this is the right time to get a fist bump for Manoj, because it's the perfect weather and the sun is looking at me. Where's Manoj though? Where is he? Who's over there? 500. 500.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದಾ?
ಹಾಂ
ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋದಾ ನೀವು?
ಹಾಂ, ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸಂಡೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಂ, ಸಂಡೇಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. I'm pretty sure there's like shit ton of riders riding on this road during weekends. So yeah. I still can't get over what he said. Sunday batch ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. I don't know. It seems funny to me. So we are in some kind of a village. So remember guys, if you guys are riding somewhere, any place, doesn't matter, and if you come across these kind of small villages, you just have to remain calm and composed because it's their territory. You don't want to piss them off, right? That's the main point. You just want to be calm and just do your own thing and just go. Don't just overact or do any funny stuff like that. That's gonna get you into a lot of trouble. Okay, there was a board right there. It was Dodda Iyur, not sure. Rock Quarry. How far are we supposed to go? Is it this place or what? Or is it this one? Oh yeah. Wait, I think it's this one. No, there's no road. Okay. Okay. There is way, it seems. Let's see. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಾ.
ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. Okay, so this is the farthest that we could go. We are at the top actually. So what our plan right now is we'll go down and down and down and then go to the main view over there. But this view is also really good. You want to see? Look at this. Dime. And that is amazing. ಬಾ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ನಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Look at this. The almighty Nora. Yo, look at this view, man. That's nice, but it's kind of sketchy too because you see this? It's broken. There too. I'm kind of worried about that. I mean, I'm standing on the broken one. Okay, so the current plan is to go over there where we initially went. So let's go there right now. I mean, if you come to a place, you have to visit all the viewpoints, right? Like, just go there and come back, right? Yeah. Explore. That's what I say. Okay, so now we are going to the important view. I mean, important in the sense, the main view, the common view where like all the people come here and look at. Actually, no one takes bikes over here, I suppose, but we are doing it anyway. Why not? Danger place. Okay. Okay, we were up there once. No, we were up there, then there, then there. Feels good. How's the view? It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, I'm kind of thirsty right now, but this water seems bleh. Okay. So this is it. Look at this. Holy crap. So I guess I'll shoot a time lapse right now. So time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys like the shots and the time lapse and everything. So we are going back to home right now. So yeah, you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.